Alright, hello YouTube, it's X023ING here. Today we're going to be reviewing a new Thermaltake keyboard that we've received, thanks to Thermaltake. Alright, and the first thing that we're going to review is the side buttons on the side. You can tap these. This is a gaming keyboard, so we're able to set these to macro keys, and we can set them up to any specification we like. Okay, on the top we've got the regular keys on the top right there, and over here we've got something pretty special. Alright, this just is the caps lock, the one that you see right there. But over here we're able to set different specifications for the phones. Alright, so for example, if I wanted to quickly switch between macro keys, for example, I would just press that, and that would change the color. I'm able to set 3 profiles as it's a gaming keyboard. Okay, so back to this side, we've got this area. Okay, now this is for the fan, for one side of the fan. And then if we go all the way to this side, we've got the fan right there. Okay, now the fan is for to cool down your hands while you're typing or gaming, if your hands get sweaty. And then we've got the nice Thermaltake logo right there. Now this keyboard is $120 RRP, and we've purchased it from our supplier. Thank you Thermaltake for allowing us to review the product. Overall we would rate it probably 99 out of 100. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.